Hey guys, I am back with another video. My name is Luke Menezes from FlyWithGoodTimes.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really excited today. I bought this drill press from Harbor Freight. Has a chuck of a 6 centimeter chuck diameter. So right now, this is my vise that I bought a while back. And I'm doing my first test. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna drill through some wood. Okay, let's see. So the good thing is this has a safety, so then you can just if there's any little kids around, just turn the safety on, and they won't notice that it's like that. But then after you press this in, then you can turn it on. And let's see what this can do. Wow, that was spicy. Well, it's a clean hole. Well, that's drill press that I bought. See you next time and Fly with Good Times.